Hi, Miss Jess here. We are at the moment we are backing out of Miracle Hot Springs day use area. Really cool area. Kind of like bad angle here. I need to go this angle to go back up that road. And we're not going to go to Miracle. We went there a couple days ago. I think on Friday we went there. I'm having to really hit my bumper and mess it all up with these 4Runners. Swear to God, you just barely nicked these bumpers. They should be recalled. They suck. But that's about the only thing that does suck about my rig. And we're going to drive out of Miracle. Go up to Kern River, Canyon Road, the old highway. And then we're gonna hike down to Remington Hot Springs. Super, it was really busy here yesterday. Just a ton of people. Remington was probably busy too, but it'd be interesting what the tubs look like. And if we don't like tubs, then we will just come on back to here. I don't think it's a little bit too dirty for my style. When it gets too many people in there and kids we know probably aren't getting up and using the the bush to go pee or the porta potties, and to me it probably seems like they need to be drained and refilled and scraped. I wish they actually had a paid position here for people to get paid doing that, because I have a feeling it would be a lot better. All right, we go driving on down to Remington. It does become dirt, I believe, before Remington. I'm not quite sure. I can't remember. It's been quite a while since I've been down this way. There we go, Remington we are. Nobody's here. How nice is that? There's the main trailhead. So I technically kind of like to park close. You can park in the shade over there, but it's really not that hot today. Got my drink, my Ace cup. I'm from Oakland originally. So, gotta show my support. A lot of people miss this trailhead that go to the other side or down there. And I think there are other trails. I will admit I have also. You can't camp down here anymore. It used to be down below you could, but there's a lot of people that were coming here and literally living here and making a mess, and they weren't cleaning up. And so, yep, now it's a day use only. Thanks, people. Got to think about that when you decide to go live on the road or do something like that. You got to respect what is the rules. Otherwise, you're going to cause it to get shut down. They do not have a second even thought about it. Cool stuff. But so many people get lost here that there is even an arrow pointing to go this way, people. So... yes, sometimes. So we're debating about which trail is which, so we don't know. It'll get us there. A little bit more steeper than we probably wanted, but there's another one too, but once we get down there, we'll find the right one on the way up. Yep, that's what happens. We find the right one on the right way up. So I'm probably not going to video much more of this. This is the one we decided to go down. We're a little crazy, but yeah, there's a lot of trails here, and you can take the wrong one for sure. Here we go. All right. Another arrow. Yeah, this has been a little crazy. This adventure has been a little bit. That was the trail we just took. There's the blue arrow. So here it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Really happy we made it down. But these are my feet now from going down this wrong trail. So don't follow the arrows. I had a really bad experience around here actually following a trail, and ran into some hillbillies that lived in the mountains here about, I don't know, about a mile they said from the hot springs, because they told us that we were a mile away. Look at this sand. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Look at the sand. Oh, it's so beautiful. I see why people try to live here. But there's an established trail that we're gonna need to find on the way out. Ooh, they go pee so bad all of a sudden. Strange. We on accident took the trail with the arrows, and it led me to the place that I led to about, I don't know, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, that it was these hobos living on the, look at these mats. That's all over it. But I don't think these are hot springs. These are just like pools of warm water. I mean, cold water. So, it's a mile this way. We are definitely in the wrong spot, and we're at an area that hobos used to live at. Hobo camp. But this is like hillbillies were living here, like reminding me of Deliverance. Very, very scary. And very scary that the arrows lead you here. Very scary. Maybe for them, so they knew where they was at, but we have to take this trail. And then when we get to the, it's about a mile this way, maybe half a mile, quarter mile, I'll record it going up and try to videotape the trailhead. Lots of trash, but hopefully that gets picked up before we leave. So there's the other tubs with a ton of people. Well, not a ton, one family. But here's another little area that has its own source. And it's like natural hot tubs. Way more my style. I'm gonna clean up the trash that's laying here. Ooh, look at those bubbles even coming out of it. Oh my God, so much better. Oh yeah, this is actually a way better hot tub. Not that cold actually. It's a lot worse. Didn't know it was so deep. It's like a little like hole. There's a hole. There's a hole. Snotty. Good thought. How's the tub, Toddy? And it's all natural. And the real thing. There's steps. Steps all along the steps. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna stop though on my way up. Yeah, we're doing the real trail. We're doing the real trail. Here's here's like the little one-man miner tub where the miners would get into. Look at this there. Right? We are going up the right trail, and I'm going to record the entrance so I can document where the trailhead is for this really nice trail right here. See, and you'll tell by the beams that they made. Yep. More stairs. Lots of stairs, but it's good. It's hard to go for a hike after you've been on hot springs and nice hot water. Oh, this is where we went wrong. There's my truck. And we went down that way by the sign over there. And then we went to the left. What you need to do is go to the right. See this big slab? Go down the slab and then go to the right. You'll see like a, whew, sorry for my breathing, but about the Kern River.